Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. So today guys, I'll be checking out Eva Marija, and she'll be singing Mother Nature, representing Luxembourg. You guys, this is from the Eurovision 2026 and I'm super excited to check this out. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please consider subscribing. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's see what this is all about. The beating sounds familiar.
When all was fun and games, wasn't hard, but all good things can end. Back when I was younger, I planted a seed under the moonlight, and even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
Wow.
Mother Nature, she knows. See the leaves, how they grow back again, and I hear and learn to love myself again, even when there's thunder. Oh,
I just love this performance. I love her voice so much, and I can't wait to see what she does on the Eurovision stage. Everything about this song is so beautiful and I'm enjoying it. Her stage presence is on point, her voice is on point. The beating sounded so familiar when I first heard it, but apparently I haven't heard that beating before. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and let's continue watching, you guys.
oh, I don't have to wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
What? Oh my god, I love her. Wow.
Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
Wow, that was beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm definitely rooting for Luxembourg. Like when she drew out that violin, she totally took my breath away. I wasn't expecting that at all. This song became so intense, so beautiful towards the ending, and I had fun reacting to her. Let me know what you guys think. Who are you rooting for at this moment? I'd love to hear in the I'd love to know that in the comment section down below. For me, I love this performance so much. I love her personality, and she totally took my breath away. And I believe you guys also enjoyed watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.